As you all know, nandito ako sa Turkey to spend the holidays with my boyfriend and 1 month ako dito. Question is, anong mga plans namin? Well, to be honest, di ko rin alam. Napaka-unorganized ko this time. Wala akong kaplano-plano. Hindi tulad ng mga past travels namin na arrange lahat. Pero anyway, bahala na. Isasama ko na lang kayo sa mga kung ano-anong ganap namin. And I hope ma-enjoy nyo pa rin itong mga vlogs namin kahit hindi masyadong maayos. Let's go! Are going somewhere. Are we gonna take them with us, babe?
Yes. My goodness.
We are gonna take you with us kasi pupunta kami sa up in the mountain. Kasi magano kami. Are we gonna hike? What are we gonna do, babe?
Yeah, we're gonna watch the
Sunset. City view. Like that. Yun yung plan namin today. We are going to explore.
Looks sketchy, but
it does. Oh my god, babe, is this safe? Well, you've been here, so it's okay. As long as you've been here, I will feel safe. Is this one way?
no, it's two.
Okay. So let's just hope and pray that wala tayong makasalubong kasi ang liit ng mga daanan. Ito mga ano yan, oh, local tong mga to, guys. Oh, locals. Why do I feel like we're in Lake Como, Italy? This is how it looked like when we went to Lake Como, Italy. You see? I'm gonna give you the camera, babe, so you can.
Wait until we get out.
Yeah, I know. You can see the whole city na from up here. Are these olives again?
Yeah.
There are olives here too.
Yeah,
Wow.
olive oil.
Oh yeah, that's true. Kasi nga pala, marami nga silang ano dito. Olives, nuts, oils, chocolates, lahat pala. Pinoproduce nila, kaya yan, no? I can see olives again, just like in Italy. Wow, amazing. Guys, look, that's the city. Nandito na kami sa taas. At napakalamig. Thank you for bringing me here, babe. It's so nice. Now we gotta walk. O yan, buti na lang naka-sneakers ako. Kaya hindi masyadong mahirap maglakad. Yan yung car. Tara! So, how did you find this, babe?
Google Maps.
Google Maps daw to. Mga ano kami today? Hikers! Tourist hikers. It's cold. At least it's not windy. You have a backpack and you're carrying water, camera. Can you slow down, babe?
Yeah.
Guys, nandito na kami sa taas. Woo! Pwede pala kahit dinala namin yung car sana hanggang dito, oh. Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yes. Oh, see? It's still a good road for the car. It's like, babe, it's like we are in Baguio. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put saliva in my ear.
For what?
Because this will prevent, like, bad spirits to come to me. Do it. You do it too. Do it too. Yeah, like that, babe. Good job. Yeah. It's so beautiful here, guys, but it's just so tiring. But he's so natural. Look, he's not tired at all.
Because we were stopping like 6 times.
But me, I'm not physically fit. I'm just here to be cute. See?
Well, next time you'll know what to expect.
But it's so beautiful. Allah, my kulot is no more. No more kulot. My curly hair. No. But let's see. Let's see if this climb is worth it. Good thing we have water. Oh, we brought water. So this is the one you were taking a video of and you were sending it to me?
I was FaceTiming you from the top.
You were. This is the third time na.
And this time, I brought Fuji.
We brought camera so we can take photos. I hope we can take good photos. Good job, babe. Oh, you see?
Tourist.
You see? He has camera. He has the water. He has all our stuff.
Tourist.
Carrying everything. Hello.
The view.
The view. Okay.
The view.
Show the view. Oh. Ganda. We're in the mountains, guys. Oh, so beautiful. Good thing the weather is so nice. Holy babe, I think there's no memory card. Yeah, no memory card.
No memory card.
Cause I took the oh well. You don't have memory card?
Can we use the giant memory card?
No, because it's a small one. I'm sorry, babe.
We had one job.
We had one job.
We
I
had
know.
one job.
I did.
My job was to carry it. Let's go. Yeah.
Hala. Nakakatakot na, guys. Oh. Ano na dyan, oh. Hulog na. Ayan. Ay, baby, it's so scary. Careful! I'm not gonna look at the camera anymore. Are you sure?
Let's go, buggy girl.
Wait, hold on, because it might be slippery.
So why did you walk there? Like, right behind? Go
I
there.
don't know. I need to look at where I'm stepping at. My nose is dripping. Ah! Where did you stand and where did Cassis took a photo of you?
Yeah, because he was standing there.
Where were you standing? You're so brave for that. Babe, can you be careful, please? Oh! Okay, but I'm taking a video of you. Okay, hold on. You stay there. So, here is the view from up here. Let's go, babe. Okay? Tapos na. Ang ganda-ganda dun sa taas, guys. Tapos, meron pang mga Turkish locals na andito din. And they took our pictures. So, it was so nice of them. Baka they're gonna come to chill here too. Ah, you see, they brought their car, babe. My fault, because I was the one who said, let's just leave the car there.
He asked us, did we walk there? Yeah. He's like, what?
After nung quote-and-quote hike namin, dumiretso na kami sa center ng Manisa, which is mga 15 minutes away lang from doon sa inakyat namin. Nandun yung mga iba-ibang local restaurants and mga stores. Pero kailangan mo talagang maghanap ng mapaparkingan kasi medyo madaming tao and sasakyan sa part na yun ng Manisa. So actually guys, itong mga clips na to is para lang sana sa akin. Pero share ko na lang din. Kasi pag nagte-travel ako, binibidyohan ko yung mga streets kasi minsan nakakalimutan ko. So, I want them in my phone para pag gusto ko ulit i-visit yung moment, nandun lang sila sa phone ko. So, yun yung ginagawa ko. At habang ako ay nagvi-video, ito namang boyfriend ko ay seryosong mag-drive kasi medyo nakakatakot mag-drive dito sa Turkey ha. Ang bibilis ng mga sasakyan dito. I actually liked it kasi ibang culture naman yung nakita ko. Totally different from what I have seen before sa mga ibang countries na napuntahan ko. Happy ako kasi ito yung mga lugar na ine-explore namin ni Robbie. Hindi masyadong pang tourist, kaya makikilala mo talaga yung lugar. So, ang napansin ko sa mga streets ng Manisa is sobrang buhay. Buhay na buhay. Ang daming tao, ang daming mga stores. Actually, sa lahat ng corners na makikita mo may store, may restaurant, may something. Lahat. Walang bakante. So, ayan, tuwang-tuwa ako nung nasa sasakyan kami kasi para akong nagtutour. Ito, ayan o, makikita ninyo, ayan, may mga kebab, oh my God, ang ganda. Ito yung feeling nakakarating mo lang sa isang lugar at excited ka pa sa lahat. At ito, tuwang-tuwa ako dito sa pinarkingan namin kasi papasok mo lang yung car mong ganyan, tapos ayan na, may mga ganyan-ganyang eme. So, nakakatuwa kasi parang first time ko makakita ng ganyan. Naglakad-lakad muna kami bago kami pumunta dun sa kakainan namin. And nung naglalakad kami guys, ang napansin ko naman sa mga stores na nandito is puro mga locals. Wala ako masyadong mga nakita na mga international brands, mga ganyan. So, ewan ko kung anong rason, pero parang mas pinapatronize nila yung mga local brands nila. And dumaan rin kami para bumili ng baklava. Maraming iba-ibang klase ng baklava, pero ang pinaka-favorite ko is yung nasa Istanbul, hindi ito. And nung bumibili kami ng baklava, merong isang customer na naka-small talk namin. Sabi niya, yung tatay daw niya, parang isang teacher daw yung tatay niya dito sa Philippines. O, diba, late ng mundo. And we are finally here. Kakain na kami ng dinner. Sakto kasi gutom na rin kami. So, itong pinuntahan namin na restaurant, guys, for Manisa Kebab is nirecommend actually ng friend ni Robbie na local dito sa Manisa. And sabi niya masarap daw yung Manisa Kebab. So, yun yung pinakaunang kebab na natikman ko dito sa Turkey. And oh my God, guys. Yung white na yan, it's yogurt. And then there's bread under it. It was so good. And then the next day, we decided to do some walking again kasi ayaw ni Robbie na nakaupo lang kami sa loob ng bahay. Pero guys, habang naglalakad kami, napansin ko ang daming basura. Ba't ganun? So, dito kami pumunta. Maganda naman dun sa park sa taas. Pero on the way, ang daming basura. Okay, baka ma-confuse kayo bakit may game day. So guys, nandito kami sa Turkey kasi dito ngayon nagwo-work ang aking jowa. Okay, hindi po siya Turkish. Just to clarify, Lithuanian po yung boyfriend ko, but he's just here in Turkey to work with Manisa Basket. So strength and conditioning coach siya ng Manisa Basket. Okay, so sa mga nagtatanong kung Turkish ba yung boyfriend ko, hindi po. So anyway, for today's game day, nanalo sila and I'm so happy. And sobrang nakaka-excite pala manood ng basketball. Napaka-intense. Oh my God, I didn't expect myself to like watching basketball. So today we are going to
Cheshme.
what?
Cheshme.
Cheshme. So today we are going to Cheshme, guys.
We're supposed to say it. It's like...
Okay, one more time.
Hi guys. Hi.
Oh my God, can you let me talk? We are out again and we are going to Cheshme. Update is we are super close to Cheshme. That has been a very long drive. You know the vibe? It looks like The Hague. Maybe because we're near the sea. Ayan na, papasok na kami sa mga kung saan kami magpa-park. Yes. Hi!
Hello.
How do you like it here?
I love it here.
You love it.
Yeah.
Have you
I
been
used-
here?
Yeah, I used to come here. It's nice
Uh-huh.
to refresh the memories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Get
nice.
back. Too bad it's too cold. We
It-
cannot swim. First time on the Dardanelles.
Yeah, babe. I think this moment is for coffee.
So, after namin maglakad-lakad sa Cheshme is nagpunta naman kami sa part na tinatawag na Al-Chati, something like that. And doon kami nakahanap ng magandang restaurant na kakainan. And pagpasok namin, guys, walang katao-tao doon sa restaurant. And nagtaka pa kami kung open ba. Tapos sabi nila, yes po, open. Tapos, ayan yung mga kinain namin. Beef, bread, the side dishes, napakasarap. Parang home-cooked food. Again, ito na naman napansin ko sa Turkey. Ang daming pusa everywhere, ang daming aso everywhere, at napakalaki ng mga aso dito. As in, para silang may mga breed. Which is, sabi ko, alam mo yung mga aso na yan, napakalat-kalat dito sa Turkey, ayan yung mga inaalagaan namin sa Pilipinas. So, itong place na to, guys, na pinuntahan namin, meron silang mga windmills na mga luma, na mga windmills. So, I think ito yung attraction dito sa lugar na to. Plus, the nice restaurants and the nice looking houses here. And then, bumili kami nitong parang pastry nila. It's called tahinli. Ayan siya. Okay lang. Hindi ko masyadong nagustuhan. Pero si Robbie kasi ang hilig-hilig niya bumili ng mga ganito. Yung mga baklava, tahinli. So, ayan. Napapakain na lang ako pag bumibili siya. Anyway, it's been a good day. Ang dami namin mga in-explore today. And sobrang nag-enjoy kami. And nasulit namin tong araw na to na day off niya.